Achege atimpoku ene nkronkro bi akeke ka ho ahamachi freedom yenu ana nipa bi a isusu se womo in fact womo from hostom ye Western Togoland for womo the blocks cement blocks abesi akwaya hodo a e wasa nkronkro mu nyina menti adwadifo a womo ekodwa womo a womo tu kwan womo ko womo ba obi antimi nko na join me on Facebook na fe videos ayensaka me fa bi nkyerɛw videos ayensaka me fa bi nkyerɛw efi ahamachi be don kuno mienu ho me nai womanfo afrɛ me sije sɔre na ka bi mayen ya beka kwan echi me kodwa me ma me yare a me kwa akɔfa na kɔ hospital wo wu enso ma beka trafficking course dudu a me nsaka fi ahamachi Enyasam ketwa ama no gusu ameka say sa kwan no woma bie sa womu mie we are yet to find out. Joining Adom 106.3 FM Facebook CCI join me na ko hwe sania womanfo ho akire wo mo joining me on Facebook CCI joining me on Facebook. Na many set Kojo Saforo. I am Nantehene. Ewo Senche. Mene no entwetwe enkomo. Na na to menka.
Betunka.
Well, me bisa saboko there because fi ahamachi ni amatete masom no mengi bi say eye boko but esase ebreben na wo kɔ kwan no kɔ no say ya hye blocks de atwa kwan mu nana
Aha. Ebrea me koya me ko hu pa de exactly 3 o'clock. Exactly 3 o'clock. And
na ba mani akɔ ne de na akɔ hu
the only say na ya nam kwa so meti passenger truck ma me ko Accra. Enti ya nam kwa no so ayeko du ufam ba bia ufi Accra dia. Custom office bi wo ho, uta custom office no pe. Ye free ko bi zid lolonyo. Na beli complete.
Na me watwa amane ebo no so. E telephone no me on Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM. Na monhwe baby a womo de flag esi Western Togoland Restoration. Ya ma tro wo bana no so no. Western Togoland Restoration. Bana esi kwan no ho. Ya ma tro wo so no. Na na to asoma me.
Aha. Eti yekodu wona ke so ma block kwan no. E no mo kire se ka bia obedu bia no ma block o ma stop no ma some the blocks ni bia choko ties ni na. Say o mo ma yenko. Na omoji nyina ye Wilson Togo land integese omoji omo nti no ye so mo me na ye ho kra no mo si da bi o ma ye na ye ho nti ye che ye o ma ye na ye ho
da bi me ba kono am so mo ma mo mesene nko
omo ma ye nsene nko
mo na ne mo ho susu na mo hwese bi a kyerɛkyerɛ se mbenya kwan foforo so akwakofa eno so ma mo na no mo ho
eno so mo ma ye na ne ho nti ye wo ha ko bo be 5 something no na ye se ne tisadia you be see you na anantia samba back to Accra. If you say se base security eba ne bo wa o mu nim nipa ye so ada say ka wa na ka ya dua ye pa nti nyina si ni ye ja o ka si wo nti ye nanti ayeba no eti ni hu se police car akonfi akosombo aba betwam ko ho nti ye wo ansa na ye hu se no o ma bie kwan na to nti na ye hu ni
me ba emrantie yi a no wo ma si kwan no obetumi a describe wo mo a kyerɛ me ne metiefo wo mo sentade ben de ne kurakura wo mo den pa na wo mo ye ba bi a wo mo atoban no.
To be frank, emrantie ne de omo say atare to say civilian na.
Okay.
Ana omabobo almost a fiatare, almost atare biya to say police and we.
And they almost a uniform, so say be a uniform and
almost a uniform biya.
Okay.
And no mukita potima, me huntio, Yamini Nipani, me huntio, Akukra or them. Now, Omabo, Mutiko Jang.
Okay. And blocks here, this is dying, Omade, blocks here, this is dying.
Blocks be blocks be brought to be one, and the blocks on almost power. No being in a okay, block, we are the block.
Cars in any part back traffic him, quite much, and also. Yeah, and near what side say no mamma and cross Ukrano, and you no there at least 500 cars. Yet also, hey, Alsalaya, Betty Macradi, it may be a mixture or that's very cool. If I have pardon, you throw pardon. And if you are back, I cars. Like it was there. The only can block way, no dear. Yeah, and no more block way. And Fana, one can it get what information into your medicine, no more sooner about the cast, the only can block cast, no, like the Akani, the empire there, and your money expect your block home. Number one information there, don't think could remove you. Now, Nana, me who say one more sija, one more set ties, and then your money may be what baby or matubino. Okotoso. You didn't idea coso. As if I'm running your Facebook, Ubehuno a jam who see a kumo. One more a few hundred, but as I'm who will be said soja new. Anna, maybe I will want some one who said soja need be a barrier. Burial or as an outflow of custom. The custom for be war, but only coyer or custom, if you are custom, Mukoye after the custom for no etching. Honor coyer.
And it's a much me at him, and still more traffic in him.
Made my sign cross up, but he said, my driver no cross on could be. Yeah, sign said, I did there, quite do a car. If you say, cooking them, if you quite you might be quite here, and as I did pass in Yama, yeah, sign us up.
Well, Nana just me. It's a phone, most Facebook, no, but say, Nipa don't be a Mukura flag. I say orange, white, and a green. Me say Western Togoland for one flag. And I saw that for also Asia one. And one also free baby, I want to buy no, or my sequino, baby, I want Asia Tyson, one more Asia, I saw that for no. And to join me on Facebook. Join me on Facebook, nothing, share videos now. Yes, streaming no. Hey. It's not as an answer, no more, I'm quite more than him.
So that police phone and I buy a man, almost a punish almost you, blocks, you know. Any soldiers need be soldier phone there were around no bayana would if you now no more pen on the man quite say oh my abri cinco
I'm not saying friends here. I'm not saying I'm in the CJ. Nana.
You that's
could you suffer? I am Rancher Henry Senchi, and I'm in no attraction and command. But joining your Facebook, it's serious. And ya grow cry. Joining your Facebook, or shall I say, yes, share, and who say a free mobile pardon casa, aka private cars, commercial cars, Nipa, or my CC firm. Now, what if you cry a dimnica, or shall Facebook? Na baby no na so for no person musia emrante ya omasi kwan and wo so kura Western Togoland for flag already omasi bana ba ko a and wo ma tro so Western Togoland restoration we stand for our rights na wo tro bana no eso eno no and a blocks here ye disi dan
wama sesa de atata so from a kwan no tire ko katire just a kwan no wama si no kra join me on Facebook videos no gu ho na nipa do mo ka kwan na chi de me to be kra nka hey so kra when is it be a cause of fear and panic but this is happening I idea is a koso and a pay a koso one more kwankwa one more bamma eh one more kwankwa one more bamma na unse asoja fojina ho baby asisa blocks no ankasa no asoja fojina achi ena mrante nzo so ejina achire ena asoja fo ekura mutu ena mugina hodin na baby amrante no eba asoja fo no so hia wo mo no basa bi ansi de but mrante no epia asoja fo no ko o machi epia asoja fo no ko o machi a videos no egu Facebook 2 videos on Facebook CCA wait the ha me say how much me na ya man for afreme more than 200 calls and akosoi be na wotwe ekọ na wotwe mienu ni and o mkosisi signboard billboards me kan sa ene no asa gra yekotutui ena hamachin o ma san akeka wo mo ho biem no eno ma san akeka wo mo ho biem no for adwin chabra I mean passenger cars mami bi o friend o say friend no atama me wo su se amachin ye de na mame akoto hospital baby ane mame ne da no edin se se wotimi koduru hospital ho ezo abeka traffic im wamo kodwa tese cars ne de bebre cars ne de bebre Lawyer Kwame Jan, a senior lecturer, School of Law, Legon. Mameno and Chichen Como. Lawyer, whatever, what's the car?
Pasho, I don't remember to come.
I want to do what, lawyer.
Oh, what the Adom, yo.
Lawyer, what's in your air course? Ghana, hey, one more from Western Togolanda. One more, as you see, lawyer, what's it?
Oh, it says, Mrs. Anna, could you for you? Mama, dear, Minka, I feel na Masoya no pa, Akokra. Come the prince with Garena, William said, Nay, Minia, can Japan, I come pray, come me cockot. Can case no. Okay. And can be chasing one Cocranama, and say, could you for your young in here? Also, they are free. Ubina counts immediate commentaries or double be on a lawyer, see how much in midnight. One my friend me. In fact, Sege Akrade Japan any sound Korea Western Togland for which I say what almost here so no one see a quine now one beko enko one beba emba one the cement blocks SEC banners Western Togoland we stand for our right banners the echoes to see no lawyer when Maminka said being so I didn't maybe I catch the way or Bible baby na me hit and kai baby walk. But Tron say a nipa air bonina asutriana mantemwa. A nipa premium command a more bonino be brave. Sanko for winum. And yet a net na a staty. Na se incophobia yadibia. Etiamra, young one six etiamra. Na adia aye politics nso ye hu se aye politics sankofo ya gigi wo so ya gigi wo so ma pimple adani na ntwe pompo be ka tiraw pimple and I done in a trip on Pono. Yadid you almost so. I did only in the name of Mra, Omutia, treason. Charge one, you must ignore the politics. Who be called jail, funny call, who be called firing squad, funny call. But Mama, 75-year-old Akokrano, I hold you in to ransom. Say 90-year-old, son, Akokrabia won't mean auntie.
But I also said, that's a young fellow more serious. Oh, Uncle Sifi, Uncle Shi, woman to me, Yashi. Oh, I say, ya fan and grow. I didn't hear. What do you mean?
Because, say, yeah, operating on this assumption, say, and don't tell me you're a hurrah. You're going to be how cow malaria and you. If you're on swap, on cat, obey Wasun, obey a nuisance on cat. And see, if I am so, we only of nuisance value. And see, when I'm from nuisance value, they will fade away. They never go. And see, don't someone on count now, trick our song mountain. I know uncle, I know how I'm ultimate, open.
Lawyer and Manimia, a damn pan, you bet me a fanny near Equosway, and Manimia.
So they say, was see gates now. Moving from media, so it's almost like a declaration of war. So before territory, there, you have to deal with it appropriately. Obia invade your territory, and see deal with them as if you are at battleground there. Just deal with them. We have ample law enforcement capability in this country. Just deal with them. Treat them to same kofwa. Invading. They are a foreign invader force. Just treat them that way.
But lawyer, in dealing with them, no, my situation, no, engine semu. I don't know.
I come on, start say even top Votarian, Voter region chiefs in that region, you know, so I do idea. Even MPs are not
yes, MPs.
Yes,
yes,
made some very tough statements.
Yes,
said these things you have to deal with them because and yet Votarians no more your and yet some renegade Ghanaians and no more your so deal with them according to your laws. It's not a Votarian issue. It's some renegade Ghanaians no more so deal with them as renegades. But kodo we are by TK as someone who knows a legacy issue of colonization. So nti yes san e be dan ball asuja e dey no fun
enso ne jano ase
nti o dealing with it preko a legacy issue. And yet, Ghana, one year was I issue no.
But lawyer, Papa Vini Crown, you were penny, what him that got me personally, meaning baby or one. Why am I telling yodium, saying, sir, canoa, and a fair name say, you're quite him.
Debbie, Papa Vino, saying you're no face,
yes.
Obi Korea, a cocoa or cocoa to it, Mikase, your dinner and the bill. Be out here, the whole fabric and security of this Republican part, no. Also, so no, not Ukraine, also, so no. Or quite near your treating with case gloves near Jan morning now. Last week, let's say 2 weeks ago, someone could see some board before I could say.
Yes.
Now, I actually know see some board, no. Now, you could try to action it. Now, I don't know. Hey. Maybe me believe in swift law enforcement. A me philosophy pa me fa ni agro. Acho. Asa say yes how krum ha. We have one of the finest countries in the world. Me catch now.
Lawyer, my fancy ya the name di agro.
Abrante me das.
Lawyer Kwame Jan. A senior law lecturer, School of Law, Legon, and I'm no attraction and common. Well, Prince Calvinson, Anane,
Facebook comment. Was say they are just a handful of doing this nonsense. Togbe Apede and other elders in the Volta region should speak to this. Next time, they should shoot and kill. It's a threat to national security. And a Prince Kelvinson at the Amaye Facebook by way of a comment. Augustine Kuma will say, how can they create a country within a nation? This is madness. They should stop this foolishness act. One on Sunday dia. What they about Facebook no. And no, but I'm paying UMB controller loan Emauska. Na odi ahwehwe ho o kan no ayedada ufie ho ne ema no a pese o sesa no fie no kra pese o tu free mu kopa be papa na wotena master's degree program no a o pese o pursue no UMB Emma 150,000 Ghana cedis in less than 48 hours into abadwuma for we di abama mo 150,000 Ghana cedis can 1.5 billion and na UMB ede Emma mo na yama 48 months. Now the church and cranka. Interest rate at the home at the phone boko. Yenji at the Padebia and fancy our no collateral. And Tishaneso Nabura UMB branch Bia and found a unia account to Hono Aquanye at the ho at the amount. UMB number is 0302633988 0302633988 and I told free 0800 100 880 0800 100 880 betimin so mo edin kita ho WhatsApp 0266 024 020 400 0266 020 400 channel so sense share kakra ewo ho yare bia tete wo Grace Homeopathic Clinic sefa yare no fabra na wo momboa ensano emfa emaun Grace Homeopathic Clinic se bra omo mfidie ho a doctor for ne nurse for ho no ma omo abotre wo nimde omo de be hwe kama enro de be ma wo nko a na ubetua ho ka ne ma bit say general consulting laboratory services general body scan physiotherapy dietary counseling ni nyina no e free Madina akachi abo and I'll be hunu Grace Homeopathic Clinic Madina akachi abo last stop wa free one more numbers me so 0556 181 666 0556 181 666 and a 0200 067 500 0200 067 500 na only Grace Homeopathic Clinic atwetwe enkomo Grace Homeopathic Clinic, a mission from God for humanity. DSTV is upper decoder no 229 Ghana cedis pe. Yekodi weekend the matches bekoso at least 20 live matches on any given week. Bekoso La Liga, the Serie A, Champions League, Premier League. Nina no DSTV nema osakwenya no in the comfort of your home. Na with just 229 Ghana cedis no you are connected. You are some 1 month access. And sana we are 45 Ghana cedis. Musumi bia now they are reconnected. Umpewe na ope edien DSTV feel every moment. Samuni mo amekan o send sika every Vodafone cash so e dey akọ network bia so a e free yento o send sika every Vodafone cash so e dey akọ network bia so a e free enti channel so na twibe Vodafone na one mouse akwenya no Vodafone cash so dial *110# *110# na fei wa send sika for free. Vodafone was the future is exciting. Ready? Well, makwa man so na ma hwe say metimi atwetwe en koma Gladys Brobe abeka no sa Gladys at saying
na me ado mo eda
heaven is see abuginan
this year mo dia maba ayi sapojom sapo ejom
sisi amom dia maba sapojom na heaven na wo kwa wasa o chiaba sapojom
ayen akosombo ene asimpeku ekona ade ne happy wo no ye throw up belle kope
abrebe na wuduru ho dia na wo hin Gladys
Okay, yeah, you have by 4:30. And you are moved to 3 o'clock. And I'm going to be almost 2 o'clock when I'm start.
And to go through Hono, na then I cross for her. That is. And I must see fan free canim. And I must see fan free canim.
Yeah, you see, I can. Then my driver no video ye. O video ni na. Enti join news. Ya de to join.
Una beno kasa hamache no.
Me pa fa me ya.
I see. Na me di pado do say na mo ka ni mo amoka akwantinfin.
Okay, yan ka fa ta mu de ni ni pa. Yeah.
We are 8 amu kodwa.
I can't for the dream.
Nanti musi free kan mu na mu kwoto mrantie no a na wo ma asi kwan no na den wo mu aye mo ma fam ho bia mo ka kwan no achi no Gladys
Almost the brass I'm also brass on my chat and almost the still fine you.
Okay. Enti Bronx na no mo de atwa kwan ni mo de asi kwan no. Meti sesi ababi ana wo kwano anya nko esa obedwa no obabi foforo
me pa so omo bie soldier for me and
soldier for me
and sana police car nti omo ni omo kokasa ye omo bie na me ba ko center yan boys no ba ko say so omo boys na omo ni ada so omo ni so ni so bush ekite tuwa omo ni enti omo kan boko na omo ni ni amano en free coin
enti omo kan boko
me pa so omo kan boko en omo yini blocks ni nyina pe en omo bi e kan na my ba
oh yeah Gladys mami no ase why
me pa so
mami no ase Honorable Kwame Samuel Ejekum eye DC Esojaman Honorable Kwaba
Ati on ti sa
me adom hu de ye fe Esojaman ba ye na yetumi hyedan ending kita ho ebium but anapai ahamachi asem a yate mitimi hu se wanya ne nte a dia ekoso umpotemu ho Honorable
na Samuel bi da se ya ne nte dia za na tem papa enti ya nyane nti ya ebi asabi a wote sa papa so ma okay Honorable ebi anasoro ne amemete wote ne san na oti yen so na ma ba na enmanim ya watu ana opese otu fa ho yo the amete ne say pay by 3 o'clock and you peku ebe block fine awo akrade wo enter Esujaman ni peku no wo mo disabon say western Togoland and the homo block for Quanum, Obin to make coding to them back. And the prayer police for and then one more academic trouble with Trobia, apparently not 1 million information on that. Into somebody has said police therefore acquiring amateurs, acquiring one BIT or back. And the back.
But Honorable Masembisa say Western Togoland free et wo mutimi nya hye akrade hosa e ma ne yeye wona ye mensini krache
ayi hu kra te wotimi cross na background na adia na interfere police for an intelligence for no investigation anti omani nyama wo na wo investigation ni hu se ni pani yɛhyehyɛ yɛn mu dada sɛ wofi baabi na wɔn baeɛ ne nyinaa sɛ wɔn yɛ investigation no nti wɔn yɛ ntɔ yɛn bo ase na national security for no yɛ ho adwi.
so say honorable abotre say na yenya ya be na wotwe mienu ni wam ko si billboard wam ko si billboard ama yekotutui ena hamachi so ma san keka wo mo ho ebiem yi nkrofo yi yenso so wo mo so dodo
no ne asam no na make say I would say national security for no one expert in such matters nti asam na pasa na ye jama won one baby yeah na level they are one yet now mean what did this they are firmly in control and the asan as layman you to say yes so on but ebiana edumano so yeah and the mama yes see no yan share how you want sell it now you miss out said yeah will be saying that in future you need to be able to prevent such a situation from happening.
I know I say.
Yo.
I mean, I say na fancy. Honorable Kwame Samuel Ejekum DC Esojamai. Na sana enye a prayer tem hankwa no block kwan no. Honi ni mpatem ho nyina. Say one block kwan no bi wo ho. Na Fred Kwame Asare a Joy News reporter aba homa no so Fred akwaba boko de
boko
okay wo de me fa nko speed bebre wo twi nim because wo twi no manya ne ntie se nche dan kan to be o de be frafra ama me anapai wakọ rounds kakra ede na obetimi aka che ne etiefo e fa ne ayetete hu Fred
okay there material about 1 a.m. And I can say they are almost say they belong to the Western Togoland succession group. Omoko Mepe police station. Eko Bubu police for Emma Omuji weapons if you're saying I can show me Omuji Omuata in 19 and Omuloki Omu police station. Self ni inside. It's almost like I'm not the papa who share inside me.
Me friend, amani we see that bang.
Ahamachi, yeah. About 1 a.m.
Okay.
I'm call. I'm the email police station and I'm the police station. Also, I'm divide your more into Bako are the email and I'm Bako me. The I'm call me. I'm police for true. I'm lucky on myself, and I'm the computer, printer, and ceiling fan. I'm the coil. I'm the flag to anymore. Weapon to Golan flag, I'm the to anymore. Now I'm coil. It's a movie, and I'm joining you on my for war. I'm saying, I'm also the same operations. I'm lucky police for every came to Amrino. And I'm far a true. It's put that and interest. I'm dispatch a team from the divisional headquarters. So I'm could do on Western Togoland for no warm and they encountered them and almost on vehicles too. Information say almost the vehicle in the back echo police officer back when there was one injury police back home the true born no ball from injury as we speak a situation did kind of saying I don't like to put it but then people I say I'm maintain me and I'm very still calm our area hall however nipa na one information how much you know can say operations no they are about 50 no local bishop we do free battle we do free mete we do free surrounding communities are our area or 90 or a shop say indigents now undertake our operations
But as we speak, the only free Mr. Police Station or more Aveime Police Station or more chancy was some jubility.
But Fred, how these guys were able to break into the police armory? And does that not come to you as a surprise, Fred?
Exactly, it comes to me as a surprise, like you said. It is a well mapped out or a well thought to operation.
Okay, but Fred, remember what was no? These are videos I now send it right?
No. Me send these videos here.
Okay.
I've not been to. Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Okay, when your video and now not send it by.
There, I've not sent it.
Okay, and joining me on Facebook. Telephone joining me on Facebook. There are new videos from the Volta Regional. Obehu Honmo so send a house situation no. Etie similar to the Ehunu Akade and Japan. Similar video and near Kosono pepe we from the Volta region. Fred, no one who goes to our casa.
Yes. See, aside that, I was saying that it was a well mapped out or tough operation. So I say, almost that take your time planning. Yes, that is what they would do at this particular time. Almost me break into Amrin because. So they wouldn't know what to do to break into the army and how to break it open. Until me sure say almost that steady environment the way our operations now are very successful. To add to that, maybe Amajo police now more duty almost shut down also maybe 3, 4 and now 5B. And see in this situation, me sure say nipa be 20 and over 20 or 25, 30. It's me BCG and I to me call police station. They will be able to overpower the police. The police. And I'm also told that they went there with guns. So they were well prepared for today's operations.
Okay.
It's not really a surprise to me that they were able to undertake this exercise because Western Togoland for operations, it's a more grounds never Volta region now, I should say. Earlier, declare independence, paying Papa Victor. Modern call, so modern call coordinate, operations in the operations, more meeting grounds, meeting, more activities. And what they are pushing for is that there was a plebiscite between the Western Togoland and Ghana. I indicate to say after 50 years of Ghana's independence, Western Togoland, every Ghana, almost independence, managing own affairs, more country. So that is what they are pushing for. They are saying that and these are some of the actions they are taking to exhibit their seriousness about their call for the independence of the Volta region or independence for the Western Togoland.
Yeah.
Because the Western Togoland does not only involve the Volta region. According to them, it stretches from the Volta region up to the OT region, to the north part of the northern region. So it hits up north, that is the upper west region.
Okay, and friend, as we speak, in Kronkro was saying, our Volta region, and incident, Fred.
But question
yeah, let me be say, how many towns have been affected? I understand that Sogakope Ekaho, is that correct?
So while somewhere as the Mepe and Aveime undertaking their operations, a bit also blockade Sogakope
Mepe Aveime and Sogakope.
Yes, and Japan. This currently they were at Aveime and police. Aveime and Mepe police station. Now attacking police station.
Yes,
but then almost some blocking road, Sogakope Aflau Road. Accra Sogakope Accra. Aflau Sugar Coffee Accra Road. Some main road now call through to Togo. I'm blocking South Final, and I'm also blocking Accra whole highway. I will drop on down the know.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So that is the current situation. But then Minister, Minister Kasai earlier, I'll say they are trying to dispatch a team of military and then police.
Volta Regional Minister Archibald. Okay.
I'll say they are trying to dispatch security services to the area to restore calm and then to take off the blockade to ensure there is traffic flow.
Fred, many thanks for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Fred Kwame Asare, a Joy News reporter. Who and Menina Chichi and Komono. Hey! Na yetiamem. Na obi say on my Ghana ba kono ano asase e desa afa hai. Hono ye dia. Nti pese ye so ye chichire ya man. Ghana. Abro. Na yadia mayo. Manu map, you draw map, Ghana map no. We be say map no, san fa hai. If you asie ha de kosro ha. The auntie, you be say a mindful fro. Every Ghana man.
Yeah, just CJ. Vocational skills was school. Na, Madam Charlotte, baby, Obi, I mentioned Madam Charlotte.
Vocational skills, Madam.
I will say a stitch in time.
Saved 9.
A stitch in time. Saved 9. Oh, CJ, and near can share. And yet, then, as some year can and no pay ya. A chassis. Unimaboko. See you, Unimaboko.
Namiadum.
Unimaboko. Unimaboko.
Aboko,
Unimaboko. Johnny Alasa, Onyan Aboko. Free her could be Saboko. Or Yeno, or Yen push you. Come,
Johnny, as only Aboko.
Johnny Aboko.
You
are just confused. I'm not for some man. Or can ya say, Onyana Boko? Now,
I'm going to answer the pa.
Jaja, Cushion, there's you, ya shut that dear. I quail and I'm can say, Aboko. I see, squeal. What the establishment? CJ, as some year came, said Yamayani Amrea won, CJ. Si ameyani amreo minim se bia yenim bibia ye yenim dia minim so mayiba mbofo no omunim bibia ye yenim dia na nkanya saa ye te ya no pa bi be na wotwem yenu ni ene ye ka se nipa bi akwa akosi samboard e wo so manya ne mpotemu a eno ye ka ye se yakotu samboard.
Okay, so I've been joined by the Honorable Volta Regional Minister, Honorable Archibald Lecture. Honorable, good morning and thanks for joining us. Hello, Honorable.
Yeah, hello.
Honorable Lecture, good morning and thanks for joining us.
So I'm Honorable Minister. This Fred Kwame Asare. Volta Regional reporter joining you.
Oh, okay. Well, so we still have Kwame Asare to Honorable Archibald Lecture ba. Akete Kofiba.
Why you confused? Let's see. As someone I make no. Enye nne na sa asem hia ase ehun proporo wa aba sa wo hwa asem no baby e hia ase papa yi a wo ko declare independence papa vi ede ne mama vi ne ne manyina aka mo ede declare independence wo hwa asem no na bosse a ye di ka che papa no ye cha no reason ben ene agina so a ye di jai no ena na pomuden wan nipa no adwen ede ne tim ene ade esesa wo ye no Saying ye kamani kwasi ye jai no achi was me declare independence ye hu baby a wafa e wo mu a ye se ye twani mabunu bi e wo sampotem wo no mo
ya fa asojafo ne ade ko ho because sa wo mo e de o mo bankran
nipa ni kura bi frika so a youth ni bi frika so a o ma se mo kan say we thought say ye soldier pa ne ye ko efisi o mo ka che say ye o mo de ye ko soldier e no o mo de o mo kogu wo say o mo twani o mo enti se wo hwe eniema nketenkete a esi was asem we hu a nipa no wa underground baby ene omo plan ni omo beye enti niema sei no e wo se ye ni di akire omo tu baako omo tu na nka matiem na nka ye di akire sa na ye hu baby omo kọ na asa wo manya ye timu a ye wo national security minister ye wo defense ene ye wo interior ye wo aprosifo ye wo asojafo enti no intelligence yentumi mpeke intelligence bia say we mu ade omo ye no ha na ye de ye beduru we mu baby a omo de ye kọ no ena niema asesa o eniema asesa eti sa niema we pa ekoso ya yete ho say blocks CJ anya sere say yes ye the blocks akogu kwamu ye maka ibi entwam.
Honorable Archibald Lecha is the Water Regional Minister. Honorable, good morning and thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Good morning to your listeners.
Hope all is well, Honorable.
Honorable. Yeah, everything. Yeah, we are managing.
Okay. So this is the information we are picking up from the Volta region. Now, Regional Minister, how did this news come to you? First off.
First of all, what I want to say is that we have security challenges in certain parts of the region, and in the North district especially, we have disturbances in Mepe, Aveime, and then Bumi, where the road, around Bumi, where the road, Aplau, Tema highway has been blocked. And then we also have a problem in Joapong, where the road has been blocked. We are doing everything possible to resolve the issue, and it's an issue of law enforcement. So the security agencies are working around the clock. We've been working the whole night, and they are still working to get the issue resolved, and also for those who are responsible for this action to be brought to book.
Well, but my reporter from Ho tells me this morning that these secessionists were able to break into the armory at Mepe, the police armory at Mepe. How true is this, Honorable?
Yeah, the police are investigating that. We are investigating all those reports. We know that the Mepe police station was attacked. The policemen were sort of put in detention, and the police have responded. The security agencies have responded. In the next couple of hours, we'll get the details of what happened.
So finally, what's the current situation in the Volta region?
No, Volta region is calm. I'm in the regional capital. Many parts, there's no issue in many parts of the Volta region. Mm-hmm. We've had to deal with this group over the years, and you remember recently the activities were carried to the eastern region and even Greater Accra, where they hoisted flags and erected billboards. We got intelligence, but the roadblocks and these disturbances in the outskirts of the main region. I mean, this is in North Town. These disturbances are in North Town especially. Joapong is also North Town. Aveime, Mepe, they are all in North Town.
Okay.
And these issues are being resolved within the course of the day. We shall get to the bottom of this matter.
Okay, but Honorable,
I just want to assure the people of the region that they are secured. They should go about their normal duties without fear of attack by anybody.
Okay, but Honorable, are you able to tell us where the boundaries that these Western Togolanders are claiming, where the boundaries stretches from precisely, Honorable?
Yeah, the boundary keeps changing. Mm-hmm. The boundary originally went to Upper East, Upper West to Northern region, the whole of Oti, and it's not only Volta region. We talk what the territory they are talking about extends as far as to the northern part of this country. But it's not that's not the issue at all. The issue is that we have laws in this country. We have a constitution, and everybody must comply. Anybody that brings the law will be held accountable.
Well, though you may not be in charge of security, but since it has to do with your region, have you been able to monitor the movement of the leader of this group, Papavi?
No. You may not know. The leader of this particular militancy group is called Togbe Yesu.
Say again, Honorable.
Yeah, the leader of this present group causing this problem is different from Papavi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So who is in charge of this very actions that we are picking up this morning?
Yeah, they have another leader. We have intelligence on the groups that I would not like to make public.
Oh, okay. So then I think that it will be out of place to ascribe what is happening to Papavi for that matter, Honorable.
They belong to the same group.
They belong to the same group.
And they are factions.
Oh, I see. Well, Honorable Lecha, many thanks for your time this morning.
Thank you very much.
Archibald Lecha is the Volta Regional Minister. And I'm in atwetwe enkomo no na yese esono papa vi mu na esono womo a we mu soso womo eyi
enti we so ye de bevi
I say security reasons enti anya de obetimi ade ne din no atodwa
enti no from what the
minister
CJ from the minister kano na chese omu wo information minim so munya proud we say ye wo another group be say wo honomo eti say ye need
utie ni kasa no mu dia
say esa ye need your machi munim omu movement say enkrofo we wo say ye need your machi a eti ye den because enne adwadifo ne omanfo a wonu mu kodwa so woni anka ekọ wonwuma so ye asade we say atumi disorganize bibia woni pani ba ko kasa from Eastern region area what is all can say me dem ikofie ne me koye kura manya nkoye ya ne yete ka enum nyina yasan
ekofie hene no a
won say regional minister ne mpanimfo regional minister the whole region on that bambo anu onu oda bambo ano eti ye be srem mpanimfo no ye srem mpanimfo no pa say omunya omadwuma omumfo omunansi for because when ye see die sabri ya ye kwa abatu mu empanimfo be kenya omo nkenya omo na yenhu ne ekoso wo hono mo because esa nipa wo nyina won sunu gujam nipa no omadika akwakosi samboard se den makoyi samboard na firi ho enehwe ne omaye the next way no wonim ne ebesi enti nipa no wo hono se ye kase wodaku ano se ye kase wodi omanya nima na se ye kase wodi region anima wo wasudie ni se wo bo nipa no ho ban enti yesra mo pa ne esisi de sije enam ne kwaso baabia
akuya
enam ne kwaso baabia
ma memfa kan ma atifo na fi mi wi de bon krata ne gu anim no yenkum se awofo awofo na on register wo ba no ewo Access Bank Early Savers promo me che the perfect start promo no a o ya kachi call ghana.accessbankplc.com/early savers na fi ko register obano na obano dan so said that when you obey lawyer obey astronaut obey teacher obey footballer obey we and so I don't know bebre akese Access Bank mouse akwanya no say wo early savers account no 200 Ghana cedis per oditum na account no ye active wa odiska tum no ano na unya points so early bird membership milestone savings culture point o shase a ubenya early bird o ko animu no na fe wanya membership point na fe wanya milestone so point na fe savings culture point na o build point na unya 2000 point per automatic na for qualify to win the grand prize in Tishan so no twemo an so perfect start promo microsite or your educational games bebre
ekoso ewo so na obano na wotwe bia na abosom bia obetimi e de akyede bebre ena yesan so ewo Access Got Talent competition afi quiz Sundays eno no obani di nkunimu a otimi enya bicycle PS5 afi tablet ene bebre akeka ho enti register obano na afi wo ntwe ope asembisa na wo open nchirimu bia freto free number 0800 004400 0800 004400 na hwe the bankra temu na fi details bia no onsabe kan wo ho hwe no so sen hye kakra e wo ho Access Bank more than banking Meguya
siye yankoye ni mo hu
more fire
ayo abusia yemfa bra husemi ni kan enura moteye mampani dada J John Rollins ne maame ya wafimu na setiefo be kaye a eni afidie ya susije unse maami ne birthday yo friend to mafita mpanimfo kan ho koja no e ma wotumi ye ne sese moye no eniema nyina akọ so kama na enei no enura abre ho se me beto odwane se ya maami emfie wo ha ne baako
101
wow wo ha ene baako emfie wo ha ne baako na kyese wodi ya wodi
pa no frima ya mantu we di yankopon ahira no
nyame ahira no nyame ahira ehira we di se wunya bia se obi ka se nyankopon hira no ma wunyi nkyere mo ma wunyi nkyere enkwa ahodin ewom na kyese efisa ni mfonyi no kura sa wohwa nipa bi wo hono mo abe 70 60 na omo animu no na ayese abrewati animu esu wedie ya maami Victoria Agbotwi mampani dada J John Rollins ne maame wa free mu eti enhyehye wo hono mu nyina mpanimfo kyese wode eniema ebegu akwam ama yehu sene eniema sikro na Electoral Commission mpanimfo so wọ́n sẹ́ NDC fún aṣọ ìjẹ́gu ó ṣe ń dẹ nẹ́nẹ́nẹ́nẹ́nẹ́nẹ́nẹ́.
ẹnu wọ́n jùmọ̀ náà kan pẹ́ yẹ.
nẹ́nẹ́nẹ́nẹ́nẹ́nẹ́.
ẹnu wọ́n jùmọ̀ náà kan pẹ́ yẹ.
dẹ̀bi bambọ first security first. ẹnu tí a máa ń fọ kásẹ̀ bìbí náà abẹ́ bom na bìbí abom na bìbí abom na ṣe mí nyinaa ni enim ne sẹ́ yẹ ní nkwan a yẹ ntumi kura nkọnkọtọ aba no eti wee first na mampani dada yẹ awodi NDC amanyoko na John Dramani Mahama sẹ́ wọ́n no paa sá abatoɔ yẹ abatoɔ a wọ́n hu soɔ. Brofo you de ba ni sije otiye flawed we kan ho aka mprensa menyin tumo se eniema nko ya menyin tumo enra so wa repeat we ye onko anam kan say anko wana anko we French
yes oui je parle français
me de be French dem de be twi oh lovely and I'm the tea nem za anko no yi eti bampani dada was one day sa mo ye niema nwunra Electoral Commission mpanimfo niema na mo ye no hono mo a woko police station baabi o so odu hono mo no nipa register no na wo mu be se 80% wodi ama ena baabi so hono mo a ye di nipa ba ku mfonyi se wusi je mfonyi ni ebenya wo bia sa picture na yusuma no na o se niema nwunra niema basa we die wona mo hu bi da wadi asamiri man post bi anu a woni bi Ghana manwese mu na we di onhie bi da eti sa mukoni se ya de a wo se wonte ase da eti ne campaign kura wa suspend na si ja asamba akusunie ewiase sa wo so wo kromfo na wo wiade na akowia baabure betew ya di nipa nson atumu 175 years 175 years na we di na mom ya chichem sije ne wo mu onie emantie nsuin no yesi wadwuma woka ba omu ye ne se wokwa akronbo na akronbo no okọ ye no mko wi a high court judge wo ba no ofira so de ba wo ofira so yi 190 judge akọ 190 awo ba
ni patene ho ase a wo mpe any party no
ni aka se ni tu ne o de o to wa de is the queen master majumo da sije wunim wo mu kokko wi a wo ba judge ene wonum ko wi a no ni wo wi no ne niema na ekita no Bible wo mu wi a ya je Bible ne kan ho no se nyame wo nyame eti so ma je age Bible dia hye ho anu nyam and you are non kokro no bona kromfo no omo sheda bo omo no omo from one house to another house omo di kan wi ajaje no omo firi no omo another house yo ya esu yetime tiresi achi omo nyina eti unya de bonkrata ya wo de ekọ na kwoto Ghanaian Times ne asem America wo de ekokan na abehu wani a wo wi Bible ame ye chi wo no ewom na okuni ni daily graphic enu ni o animu ayehu o CJ one countries ni bi second wave no covid na duru o amanfo asan nya yade no wo ho na Ghana de nyame na ehu ye mobo
Denmark we must declare lockdown
yo Ghana nyame na ehu ye mobo enti yede ya ne se yesi katawo hwene katawano social distance di so eso na no video ya ye kotwa ye nkranza fo asem emi nya aka ko for video you ade ba ye ote nkranza fo adwadifo na asem o mu ka se mo hye da bedada yen ani yesi yade bia ba na yade bia ba ma ntise menua bia wu ma ntise wo bia wu efunu no we he eti yede ye nhye pa ene emfonyina daily graphic dia ba animu no emme ti dwom eto ne niema ba kokora anhye nose mask
se si ai sa utie mi wo dwom a se utie mi wo malata utie mi wo kaneshi utie mi wo madina dwom utie mi wo nima dwom mo ka so dwom mo hwehwe
mo ho na mo hwe
mo sa mo se mask no a
na mo hwe ne se no CJ
na me na adi afofio
me ka me kire wo wonim se
yare no adi agrosa no
se wo yi bank pharmacy ene shopping malls ahoro awura mu a won dia street say
ya kanyina
egugum
o seye
wura ba bia wura ni free ehwe nkata hwene na wo hwe bi mfansi wo o de yesi obi bebo wo am agya na egu te se wo abwayo na kokko akwiafo so no wadi ani mampani na adosi kokko obu no yatum wo hanche mu aduonu nwotwe ene edi ato
ene na sana deputy agric minister betra ha wo kan
Jojo Dru
wo kan se CJ anche bia na nado be announcement bi
sanjira ni besi
obeke kan hu bi ene say 3 days later ampara so
enya aba no na we kura de me kan hwe ya the war be obi atu ne were be CJ me nko yo ni amikro me kwama se yi ni ogina wachi ne ye de ahia bullet omu odi bia o atodam TV na mti a writer
writer o say friend saying
writer amenyo
eldande
El Centro Campista Creativo.
Voilà che.
El Centro Campista
Voilà che.
Creativo. Be yenye LPM ba ko.
Ye kukuru din ni say bam.
Elden.
Centro Campista.
El Centro Campista Creativo.
Ni din no. CJ, ehwa na me ma me kete so na mkoye. Eti me kuro nyame nka ho wai. Ene fiala na CJ. Ene obewie na ade ani si ho wai. Ene de he na so kontema haya.
Ene de ginam.
Oh na de. Ebe kakakwa na buku abeka ho.
For checkers in.
Oh. And then made a shorted jollof.
And then, dear, Manfa Mantama, Messan Betra, him, debut. Now, what you mean? Not the first Friday on Fabian and Medri.
Oh, Jassa. Who's a location? No location, I said, Quino, a wool bar, just all two book.
And you won't seem to see her. About 10 no bedrew. And
that's the red wine.
Won't seem to see her.
CJ, red wine come home. A little wine is good for the heart. Nti no Yesuma me ready.
Ayo sorry.
Konkron me ready. Enya media wodia.
Anti omo brem red wine no.
Location no. Why mam location no.
Akwa bwa so ya dom. See the work at na for so.